Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Mockups. To begin, open your chosen Adobe application like Photoshop or Illustrator. Navigate to the File menu, then select New from Template or Open to browse for mockup files. Many templates are available directly within the application or through Adobe Stock. Once opened, you'll see placeholder layers ready for your designs. This initial step sets the foundation for showcasing your work professionally. Now let's customize your mockup. Locate the Smart Object layers, often clearly labeled, and double-click them to open a new window. Here, you can paste your design, whether it's a logo, website screenshot, or app interface. After saving and closing this Smart Object, your design will automatically update within the mockup. You can then adjust its position, scale, and even apply subtle effects like shadows or highlights to achieve a perfect fit and realistic presentation. For more advanced techniques, consider using perspective tools. If your mockup involves a screen at an angle, utilize the Edit, Transform, Perspective, or Distort options to precisely align your artwork. You can also combine multiple mockups or elements into one scene, perhaps showcasing a brand across 3 different devices. Remember to maintain consistent lighting and shadows for a cohesive and believable final image, elevating your presentation to a professional standard. Finally, it's time to export and share your stunning mockup. Go to File, Export, or Save As. For web use, a JPEG or PNG at 72 dpi is ideal, ensuring a small file size and quick loading. If you need a high-resolution print, opt for a TIFF or PDF at 300 dpi. Always review your image for any last-minute adjustments before saving. Presenting your work in a polished mockup can significantly impress clients and stakeholders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.